Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you start how to start making money, how to make money from Amazon FBA. Search this keyword on Google Chrome or any on the browser. Earn 80,000 in 5-day business you can do at home. Free Amazon FBA guide how to make money on Amazon in 2022. People about also search for this how to make money on Amazon without selling, how to earn money from Amazon in Pakistan. Amazon make money earning app, how to earn money from Amazon at home, make money with Amazon affiliate. Chapter 14, how to make 5k dollar an hour selling on Amazon. Open this article and read complete article A to Z. Attend the selling on Amazon on a course how to make $5 5k dollar an hour selling. That's because Amazon is a selling method attracting nearly 50% of all online product search traffic, with more than 70% of us in consumer having bought from Amazon in the last 6 months. Let's just say that when consumer end up on Amazon.com, they are very close to being ready to pull out the credit card or just one click pay. In total, Amazon shares to hit 50% by 2021. That's in just short 2 years. And the number of third-party sellers on Amazon, sellers that are not Amazon, continued rise even as Amazon launched additional products lines of listed. There is no better time than with parents presence to launch your brand on Amazon or to grow your brand presence and revenue through Amazon. Get authenticity. Amazon is a huge opportunity. Amazon is the future. It's time to get on board and excited about it. Don't just make money on Amazon, part of a growth strategy. Make it a growth strategy for your business. I have worked with an old fashioned manufacturer that has been in business for several generations. Selling more on Amazon than through their additional channels.